A few days, we showed you the latest renders for the Apple iPhone SE 2018 that were created by accessories maker Olixar and posted on Mobile Fun's website. Today, some more news about the sequel to Apple's low-priced phone, comparatively speaking, has surfaced. According to several accessory makers who had been showing their wares at Japan IT Week Spring Mobile Solutions Expo, Apple has yet to start up production of the iPhone SE 2018. And that would indicate that a second quarter launch of the phone is out of the question. In fact, the report says that Apple hasn't decided yet whether to give the iPhone SE 2018 a TrueDepth camera, a notch, an edge-to-edge screen and Face ID as suggested by the renders released by Olixar and from other leaked images. The company could decide to give the device the same look as the original, which was taken from the Apple iPhone 5S. Another choice Apple is weighing is an iPhone SE 2018 with a 6-inch screen. Whichever look Apple decides to go with, the iPhone SE 2018 is expected to have a glass back so that it can support wireless charging. One glass manufacturer says that Apple will pick from 3 different types of glass for the device. The display will carry a physical cutout for the notch instead of using an ink mask. There also is no cutout for Touch ID, which would indicate that Face ID will be offered on the phone. A picture showing such a display panel appeared on China's Weibo social media site last week. The photo at the top of the story shows Olixar screen protectors for the iPhone SE 2018, along with the original model in the middle. According to some recent images posted by accessories manufacturer Olixar and retailer Mobile Fun, the Apple iPhone SE 2018 could feature an edge-to-edge display, a notch, and Face ID. Considering that the first-generation version of the phone, released in 2016, had a retro look dating back to the Apple iPhone 5S, this obviously is a big deal. The big question is whether or not the next iPhone SE will truly look like these renders and photographs. While the renders we showed you were from Olixar's screen protector, the company's first case for the iPhone SE 2018 has now been posted on Mobile Fun's site. The case, priced at $8.23 each, is available in blue, purple, solid gloss black and 100% clear. But the most important detail is that the renders that accompany the listing reveal the back of the device including the single camera on back, and the flash. The iPhone SE 2018 is believed to carry a glass back, and based on these renders it would appear that the camera lens will be larger than the one found on the OG model. The Apple iPhone SE 2018 could be the lowest priced phone that Apple releases this year. As such, it is key to its strategy in developing markets like India. The latter is the second largest smartphone market in the world, but a low per capita income makes consumers in the country super sensitive to pricing. Apple had been producing some iPhone SE units in India to help it conform to the country's Make in India initiative. There are reports that Apple plans to continue this with the iPhone SE 2018. At this point, the rumors out of China suggest that the Apple iPhone SE 2018 will be unveiled alongside the Apple iPhone XS, Apple iPhone XS Plus and Apple iPhone 9 in September.